We found that over time that pays for itself, because in the time that you have one surface treatment with HA5, you probably do at least 2, if not 3 seal coat treatments, and the longevity of the light of that product is so far superior to just a regular seal coat that unless all you need is for the asphalt to look black and you're trying to dump that property, it only makes sense to do an HA5 treatment. My name is Tim LeBaron. I'm a property manager for JMI Property Services. We manage commercial properties throughout southern Utah. Our responsibilities with our property management, asset management include watching after the commercial properties and maintenance especially, and interfacing with vendors and taking care of things that need to be repaired or maintained or replaced as those needs arise. As we look at our properties and asphalt maintenance, there's it's pretty clear when things are needed, and we try to stay ahead of the actual need and take care of things, get things scheduled before. Obviously, costs and budgets and economy have a lot to do with what we're able to do, but we've had great success with that, so that's kind of been our practice. We've worked with, JMI has worked with Holbrook Asphalt for probably the last 20 years. And as they developed their HA5 product, it was obviously with the cost difference between HA5 treatment and just a regular seal coat, that took some time and some budgeting to get to the point where we were able to start using that product. But as we've done tests over the years and as we've had the treatment on our asphalt, it's clear what product is the best. As we've worked with Holbrook over the years, the sales team is typically who we work with, and then when it's actually boots on the ground, getting the applications down, the production team has always been really good about scheduling and things. Obviously, once in a while you have weather events that create a problem, but those unforeseens have always been fairly easy to work through, and just a matter of rescheduling and taking care of things that way. But it's always been great to work with. I would recommend HA5 to anyone that's looking at long-term preservation. It's a great product, and we've seen over several different properties and different locations that product is just far superior to a regular seal coat or a slurry application. It's a lot cleaner. You get the longevity is great. So if you're looking at long-term asset preservation, definitely recommend the HA5.